been developed on Bolt. The backend logic does have a Python server that our Git is linked to it. It is custom made. The logic behind it is also cloned from another medical MCP. That's where we get our PubMed data, stuff like that. As you can see, it is on Bolt. It is, we used entry to claim our Ionos domain. This is the front page. We've got our bill with Bolt. This is kind of my shot at doing something different than a to-do app or just another chat bot or something like that. Something that can display AI's true potential to actually help and make a difference and possibly save lives in the worst of conditions. So when you click the field guide, that's not an error. It's just wanting permissions. Anyway, it immediately picks up on where you're at. You can share the location, copy the location, whatever. You take your picture. You can upload a picture. You can take a picture of an injury, of anything, of a plant, of whatever. It doesn't matter. We're gonna skip that for now. Don't you hate it when you're in the ocean and you get bit by a shark and the person that's trying to save the person that got bit by a shark gets stung by a jellyfish? Crazy, I know. So we're gonna go in here, obvious bleeding. 28. Yeah, bleeding. Broken bone. Other breathing issues. We're going to get our assessment. It's going to process the logic through the MCP server in the back end. And right now, the hard stuff the logic is being processed through Vertex AI via Gemini 2.5 Pro. And then it is all being relayed to Google 2.0 Flash. To relay the logic down here at the very bottom if you have follow-up questions. So as you can see, the logic is there. It goes in depth, and this is just the first. You've only told it one thing. You can come down here and as you can see, it gives you a lengthy synopsis just from a simple worries about infections from shark bites. It goes all the way in, and you can keep questioning. This is tied to emergency services. You could continue the assessment if you have new pictures, if the bleeding changes, whatever. You can keep going in a loop, skip the photo, add more to it. When you do that, you would obviously save it, and the AI keeps context really, really well.